Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can refresh your quick ad on Snapchat. So first of all, just open the Snapchat application. So you may want to go and find some new people on Snapchat and see what's to go and refresh your quick ad. So let's do this. You can actually go and view the quicker page in another place in Snapchat, and I found it easier to go and refresh it there. So to go and view quick ad in another place on Snapchat, all you need to do is go to the top left of Snapchat and go and tap on your Bitmoji, and you can tap on your Bitmoji from pretty much any page from Snapchat. It will bring up your profile page, and then what you need to do is you have to scroll down and see the friends section, and you want to tap on add friends. You can go and see who's got and added you, and if you scroll down you can then go and see your quick ad. To go and refresh your quick ad, it's pretty simple. What you should firstly do is go and hide people you don't want to appearing. For example, this guy here, I'm Suhaib. I'll just tap on this cross button and hide that person. I will go and refresh it. All you need to do is go on the top of Snapchat and then drag up and let go like this, and everything is then going to go and refresh. And as you can see, I've now got a different list of people here who I could go and add. I can do that again as well, and you can keep doing this. As you can see, your drag and let go, everything then reloads and you can see different people. So that's pretty much it. That's how you go and refresh the quick ad on Snapchat. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.